Okay, so now we're going to move on to number 3. Y equals 2 times x minus 1 squared minus 2. Okay, so once again, I want to identify the a, the h, and the k. So the a value is what's in front of the parentheses. A would be 2. H is always the number in the parentheses, but we need to switch the sign. Switch the H, keep the K. So I see a -1, so H is +1. Keep the sign of the K is -2, so we want to keep that as a -2. So the vertex is at +1, -2. So let me come down to our graph. So I've got +1, -2. And sometimes they do this, and the graphs aren't quite centered on the graph in your answer, and it kind of you might think that you're doing it wrong, but this is fine. This is where the vertex goes. Okay, so then I write 1 and 3. We take our a value, which is 2 in this problem. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, they're positive, so we go up. The horizontal change is always 1 to the right. So the first move is to go up 2. 1 unit, 2 unit, always over 1 to the right. Then I'm going to go up 6 units. 1 to the right. Okay. If you use these graphs that are provided for you, all 5 points will always fit on these graphs. So if you ever find a point, one of these points that don't fit on the graphs that are provided for you, that means you made an error. Okay, so last thing we want to do is state the domain and range. So it's all real numbers for my domain. And my range is, once again, dealing with the y coordinate of the vertex. This opens up, so it's greater than or equal to.